Cool. Yeah, some of those will be nice. Yeah.
The next day.
I got nothing left to prove but gratitude. I got the perfect outfit, but I don't plan to wear it unless you're gonna tear it right off my body, bury it. Sometimes we might get upset and say something.
Hi Self, today is Friday, January 24th, and guess what? Papasok ako sa work ngayon, nakakainis. Papasok daw kami sa work ngayon kasi may presentation ng mga design team. So si Raj pala is nasa Vegas. Pumunta sila nung Wednesday, and then babalik sila ngayong Friday. So yeah, I think nag-vlog din siya doon, kaya ipapasok ko yung mga vlogs nila ngayon na.
We're at Vegas now, guys. So we're going to his car. He's gonna give us a ride. Thank you, po. So here is my first meal at Vegas. I got sushi and sweet potato. Oh, look at what I've got for my second plate. And lastly, my third plate. Anyway, I'm not contented. I added soup in it. This is what I'm getting for my dessert, guys. I only got the white cookie berries, mallows with chocolate filling, and the plant. And also I got the jello, just in case I don't like those, just to contradict the taste of it. So guys, dito kami kumain. Mga busog na ang mga tao. Yan si Papa. Masyadong si Tita V, gutom na. Si Daddy and si Tita. And here's my outfit for today. I have the Onitsuka shoes, Everlane, and this is from, I don't know where this is from. And this is made by Chris. I mean, ito pala. Sorry guys. Ito. So we're going to 44th floor, guys. Say hi, people.
44, 74.
Nice to meet you.
444. Chinese.
Sagpo nga yung libre ng casino, no?
So here's our room, guys. Here's the bedroom. And yep. Here we are. Si Daddy. Dalawang bedroom. We're gonna be going into different hotel because we're not gonna be fit in. Boy, Dora.
Tignan mo. See? Betcha. I'm
It's me again, guys. Different room. Wow!
Ready na ang room.
Mukhang gugulo to mamaya ah. Ayun na, Bilmat Lathrop.
Magugulay ko mamaya pagdating dito.
Welcome, Bilma Lathrop.
Pero yung sweet room.
Stable po. Stable po.
Alam mo bang pala masama kami?
And here's outside.
Sweet. Pag two queen kapatid, is
Outside
maganda. Ito, pag ganyan yan. tulog
LOB.
ka.
Alam mo pumunta rito.
Love. Hi guys, so we're here at Venetians today. And ito ang makikita dito sa Las Vegas. And hindi lang yan, syempre may mga malls din sa loob. Especially Skechers, si daddy ko, and si Kuya Birds. Saan kami pupunta? And here is dito kayo magpipicture. Dito yung ano, yan. Picture kayo dyan. We're gonna be resting for a few minutes right here. So may kausap si daddy ko apparently. So hindi kami mag-uusap. So tatambay muna kami dito. Ito time-lapse ko na lang to right after. So a lot of people are looking at me right now. I feel so awkward because I never done this before. So they're literally looking at me because I was on film and I don't know why they're looking at me. It's probably because wala akong ginagawa and nagsasalita lang ako dito. So we're going to Caesar Palace after this. Ngayon nasa Venetian kami, nag-pictures lang kami. And yeah. At saka ate, wala naman ako bukas dito. Tsaka kahit makita nila ako nagbe-video, wala na silang pake doon. Charing. Alis na tayo sa ano natin, sa comfort zone. Ay. Sino ka naman dyan? Pero medyo pinagpapawisan na ako eh. So may nakasalubong akong Japanese. Ang sabi niya, ano techiwa? Akala ko naman bakla si Kuya. Kasi diba pag sa atin mga bakla, gilingo. Ano techiwa? Parang gano'n. Ano techi? Ano? Yun lang. Para lang nanibago ako. Tapos ibang lahi yung nagsabi. Tapos bakla ako. So ngayon mga ate, pinag-aaralan ko kung paano mag-focus din sa camera. Kasi pag nakatingin ako sa sarili ko sa camera, like front camera, hindi ako makatingin ng diretso sa inyo. Nakakatingin ako doon mismo sa face ko, parang nako-conscious ako. So, tatry ko siya ng baliktad ngayon. Parang weird. Hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko. Ganyan. Ganyan yun. Ganyan na ganyan. Anong pinapahinga mo dyan? parang ako yung natatakot naman dito. So here's the outside look of Palazzo. Sorry. Nandito nga kami ngayon. And ayan yung POV ng Senior Kinem. Tapos may mga bangka-bangkaan sila dyan. So guys, nandito ako sa may waterfalls. So nandito ako sa waterfalls ngayon. Medyo against the light na nga siya. So papasok na kami sa loob ng Hotel Wing. Charing. So guys, kakatapos ko lang manood ng fountain. Nirelax ko yung sarili ko kasi something happened. Naglalakad kami para makita yung fountain. And then, may humarang sa aking dalawang babae. They were saying, "Oh, you look so cute," ganyan, ganto. And then ako naman, parang nakakakutob na ako. Sabi niya, "Oh, do you want to take a picture with us?" Ganyan, ganyan. Sabi ko, "No, I don't have my phone with me." Sabi ko gano'n sa kanya. Sabi niya, "You're lying. Everyone has phone." Ganyan, ganyan. Sabi ko, "Yes, but I don't want to take a photo with you guys." Tapos sabi niya sa akin, "Come on, let's do it. Let's just one time." Ganyan, ganito. Tapos nagpa-picture na sila sa akin. Right after that, they were asking for money. Sabi niya, "Oh, $40 each. Give me your money, baby." Ganyan siya, girl. So parang nahirapan ako lalo, ate. Kakaloka. Anyway, maingay na dito. Mamaya na ulit. So guys, wala na ako sa crowd. Medyo tahimik na dito ng konti. I'm gonna be going to Caesar's Palace. And we're gonna be meeting Tita Nora and si Uncle. Kasi naglakad lang kami. So yeah, I'm still upset for what happened. But I mean, on the photo, I look so happy but embarrassed at the same time because I didn't expect that. Those ladies are coming with me. But anyway, isipin ko na natalo ako sa sugal. Charing. Natalo ng lungkot. Kasi bigong lalaki yun, okay lang eh. Charing. So, everyone, I'm trying to enjoy this place. But the only thing I don't like here is the smell. I mean, not everywhere, but there's some places in Becca that smell so stinks. Honestly with you guys. Hindi siya nakakaganda. So guys, I got this drink. And he got his too. Hey guys, so ako lang mag-isa dito sa may aeroplano dahil wala pa yung mga kasama ko. Sumunod ako kila Mami, nandun sila sa may kabilang aisle. Nandun sila sa may kabila. So, ako lang mag-isa dito ngayon. Dahil sumabay ako kay Daddy. Sabi ko, so doon ako sasabay sa kanila para ma-VIP ako, girl. Kasi naka-wheelchair siya. So, iba yung lane ng naka-wheelchair sa regular lane talaga. As madayang tao, ate. Anyway, nag-aantay ako kay papa ko tsaka kay Kuya Ninyo. Kasi sila yung katabi kong dito sa normally yung seat ko is dito sa may letter E. Ayan, nandiyan dyan sila papa. Wait lang, videohan ko lang. Ayan na sila papa. Ayan na sila Tito B. Ngayon lang sila nakarating. Tita B. Hi. I'm already here. So guys, nandito na sila. Oh. Anyway, I'll see you later again. We'll be going to San Francisco. We're going back to San Francisco. Bye guys. So guys, nagkakagulo na po kami sa seat namin kasi naguguluhan na namin ngayon. 10E. Kasi guys, originally yung seat ko dito, ayan yung seat ko nandito. Ayan. Pero may bahid kasi ng tae. Parang nataihan or naihian, something ganun. Parang hindi ko kayang umupo doon, ate. Ikaw uupo ka doon, dudong ka. Arte mo. Guys, we're at San Francisco Airport Terminal 1 and we're currently waiting for our ride. Yung anak ni Tita, and then look at my backpack. It's so huge as my tummy. And here we are. Medyo glitch yung camera ko kasi ang pangit na ng mukha ko. Yun sila. And Tita B is here. Here you go. Hi! And si Daddy and si Tita nandito. Nilalamig na silang lahat. Anyway guys, we're gonna be waiting and uuwi na kami. Gutom na rin ako. Goodbye. Napagsaksihan ang isang babae nasa likuran. Isa po siyang may-ari ng bahay ng aming tirahan. Bagkus siya po ay pinangangalanan ng Nora. Dahil sa kanyang tanging ganda, ang lahat ay nabibihaghani. Ang hirap magtagalog.
Naman, panood nyo yung vlog ng Akla. So, sana pumunta rin ako pero alam mo yun, hindi pwede kasi may work tayo at bago pa lang tayo sa work. Kaya, tiis-tiis muna, maybe in 3 months, pwede tayong bumalik doon. So, yun lang naman guys, I'm just checking in and updating you guys kung ano na yung, or updating myself, kung ano na yung mga nangyayari ngayon sa aking buhay. So, yeah, see you sa work and...
6.5 hours later.
Thank you po. Welcome back. Nasaan yung mga vlog mo doon?
Nasa isla kami ngayon, kakain kasi nabusog kami ng so much. Family team. Alis na yan tayo. Thanks, Lobby Babes. Lobby Babes.
The next day.
Yun na. Why you're not smiling? You coming with us? Are you coming with us, baby? Nanakawin ka na namin. Hindi ka na namin ibabalik.
We're gonna sell you.
Ay! Yay! Bye, baby. Where are you going? Where are you going, baby?
You wanna come here?
Huh?
You wanna come here?
Hi! Lala!
Okay, let's go. Put on your seatbelt.
Love you, babes. Look at here.
You wanna come with us? How old are you?
35. Do you know how to bark? You're always with dogs.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Who's your best friend? Roscoe?
Roscoe or Miggy? Both of them. Hello.
Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye guys. Bye bye. You going to Seramonte later.
A few inches later.
Hi self! Today is Saturday, January, ano ngayon? January 25, 2025. O ano na pala natin kahapon? We celebrated sa isla with Tito John.
Yesterday is our
Monstery.
Lovey Babes Monstery.
And today is just gonna be a chill day. Magpapagupit si Regman.
Yes, I look so monkey now.
Magpapagupit siya, pero ngayon kakain muna kami. So, see you self! Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa San Foran. Ito dati yung Jollibee. Puro nagsisi out of business na dito. Ang pangit na niya. Hindi na siya dati, nang tulad ng dati.
So, what I've got is Sarko Japan.
Pero yung Sarko, open pa sila dito. Ito yung kinain namin. Ito yung sa akin.
Yung kahapon guys, nasa Las Vegas kami. Yung mga ganitong inumin
Tigti $10.
Girl, $10.
Tapos,
yung gantong tubig, $8 babe. Medyo malaki. Oh, $10.
dito magkano?
Dito, lahat na to $9. Apat. Apat yan, $9.
Doon, kapag doon yan.
Pag doon yan,
40.
$40.
Hi guys, hi self. So kakagaling lang namin sa Tan Foran Mall. At mukha na siyang dead zone. Nakakasad. Kasi nandun dati yung Jollibee. Nandun dati yung Five Guys. Nandun dati yung Happy Lemon. Ngayon wala na sila ditong lahat. Gagawin na daw tong biotech something Kiniemerut.
Ang mga magtatrabaho doon ay mga bayot.
Mga biotic. Napag-gupit na siya. Bagong tao na siya ulit. What can you say about your new hair?
I'm joining the army.
Ba't ang flat ng likod mo?
Because that's how it looks like.
May bago na po siyang
Tinatanggal ko lang yung
may bago siyang sideline.
Anong pinaka-copy mo? Yung una o yung pangalawa?
Straight na straight.
Oo, ganun ang bet.
Oo, para pag humaba siya. Straight. Straight yung cut. At least bawas siya, bawas
Pag magugupit ka ng ganyan, tapos may base ka niya, kailangan mo na siyang...
Sa kabila mo nga gupitan, Bims, para makita yung pagkaan.
Ang kanda decision.
Dyan.
Nagugupit.
Dyan mo this,
Hindi pwede kasi hindi sinusundan. Iba yung text kung marunong ka pa sa nagugupit.
For the vlog. Ayun, wala na. Ang iksi na. Nagbebenta si Justin ng perfume. Kung gusto nyo. Magkano na lang yan, Bims?
Nangaka guys.
Wow. Eto, nasan yung meron tayo, Bims? Meron kaming ganito.
Konti lang yung
Tapos ganito. Ito yung mabango to. Yung Latafa. Mayar. Si Mayar.
Mayardom. Tapos meron din kaming ganito.
Nasaan ito?
May ikot.
May ganito kami pero ano, tester.
Yan yung regalo ko kay Therese.
Ito mabango rin to, Mercedes. Oh.
May ganito kami, tsaka ganito, tsaka...
Ayun,
Sinabi ko
kay
na.
Chris yung yellow.
Ako hindi ko sinabi.
Ang bango nga nun.
Paamoy mo yung yellow.
Hindi ko na-appreciate yung unang amoy. Hindi na puputol yung ano namin, no?
To wire ng GMA. Ayan. Pupa na yun. Kira ka. Ano na, Jaja? Hi guys, ngayon kumakain ako sa chicken mama.
Chicken mama mo blue. Soy garlic tsaka ano? Honey and cheese.
Tomorrow.
Hi self, today is Sunday.
Sunday, January 26th. We're almost end of the month.
And it's 3:56 p.m. Pupunta kami ngayon mamaya.
Mamaya.
Mag-church kami mamaya pero for now mag-85 degrees muna kami.
Yeah, let me just warm up my car.
So we are in Reggie's car.
And I just got my hair done yesterday.
And I just got my hair cut as well by Reg. So let's go. No way. May pa-free lunch. It worked.
Thank you.
So this is what we got. We got ube, we got hot dog and ham and cheese. And we get a free bag sa 85 degrees. I'm having, ano to?
This is our all-time favorite store. This is where we hang out most of the time.
Sweeten your life. So I got, my drink is ano, sea salt jasmine. And sa kanya is yung pangpataba.
Caramel coffee. Caramel coffee smoothie.
So basically, let's taste it.
To celebrate the Eucharist, let us bring not only our bodies to the table, but let us bring our hearts to the table.
Hi self, kung may 555, may 999. May 999.
Lahat mo ng 555 kukuhanin ko. 555 baka naman.
I got the perfect outfit, but I don't plan to wear it unless you're gonna tear it right off my bottom, bare it. Sometimes we might get upset and say some things we regret, but if you come and get it, we can make the fight worth it. I know I get an attitude, but when we met, you caught a cue.
Hey self, it's been a long time. Today is Friday. Wala akong work ngayon. Pumunta ako sa gym. Because 2 weeks na, I think. 2 weeks na akong hindi nag-gym. So right now, kumakain lang ako ng saging. Para magkaroon naman tayo ng energy. It's still January. Ang tagal-tagal ng January. Parang 3 months na nakakalipas, January pa rin. Walang papagawa sa work kaya day off na lang ako. So it's okay lang kasi alam mo yun, pwede akong gym, maglaba, maglinis. Pero right now, it's currently raining. It's gonna be raining the whole week. See? So, samahan nyo ako. Kung ayaw nyo, ito wag. Bye!
Then I have it, I'm addicted, you're my habit, my other half. I don't have the words, but I got the perfect outfit, but I don't plan
This is me after gym. I'm just gonna go take a shower and bye-bye!